Hi everyone, welcome to the new vlog of Meet the Masters, and today's artist is Claude Monet. The book I'm using today for my reference is The Magical Garden of Claude Monet and Katie the Impressionist. So these are the two books I will be using for my references and my ideas to create a painting. It's really helped me to plan the lessons for my students of age 4 to 12 years old according to their age and level. And you can use the paper or you can use the canvas, whatever is available at your place. I'm using the 250 GSM watercolor paper. We'll be using the tape to make a border. I will use acrylic paints today. It's a Fevicryl brand and it's a very good brand for children to use as well. So I will start with a demonstration for you so you will know that what will be the direction of my painting and how I will be using short strokes and overlapping technique with different colors. You can ask your students or your children to just start with one color and slowly gradually add the different values of color by overlapping technique of painting. Now I will show you how I will be using acrylic paint only to make the water lilies without any pencil drawing. You can ask them to use pencil to make 3 vertical lines, but if they are grown-ups, they will be able to directly do it with the paintbrush. I will ask my students to just paint 3 vertical lines, short strokes, and then create the flowers first, as many as they want. And after the flowers are done, then we can add the lily pads. Green color can be used once we finish with the pink color. Now I will make a time lapse of this video and I hope you enjoy the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like the video. Take care everyone. See you in the next vlog with a new artist. Watch this video till the end to see the students' work, what they created in my art class.